Hi, this is Gomati from Arty Facets. We have already learned how to make a coil pot pen holder. Today I will be teaching you how to make a plate using coils. So let's get started. So this is the clay. Take a small little portion of it and make a then start making a coil. We have already learned how to make coils. However, you can watch it again. Make a small coil like this. Then rotate it. So you get this shape. This is going to be the starting point of our plate. So let's place it here with some water if there are any cracks. If there are no cracks, just leave it as it is. One more coil. Like this. Now I'll take a tool and cut them equal sized. So you have all this. Keep your hands always wet whenever you are especially working with coils. Like a drop. Like this and like this. Do it for the entire center point, around entire center point, like this. Make sure that they are of same size so that they all look good together. Now put another coil around it like this. Cut off the extra part and then join. Okay. Take one more coil and now you can cut small pieces like this, again of equal size. And take each one of them and make a small sphere like this and put it around. Make sure that they are same size. See, like this. Like this. So this is how it looks once you put all the beads around it. And now what we can do around this is make another coil and design it differently. For example, I'll take this. I will make a small little coil. Put it here. Okay, now take this, rotate it like how we did initially. Once you reach halfway, start from the other side, other end, and then rotate it this side, the opposite side, so that you get this shape. Now I'll place this here and I'll cover the entire area with these coils. The last coil, stick it here. So this is how it looks like. Now what I do is I'll take some clay and then I will just flatten it, okay, as thin as I can, and then just put some water on it and then place it. Take some more, again flatten it, place it here and merge. Like this I'll cover the entire plate. Then I'll tell you what we can do. Yeah, once you cover the entire area with clay, take a tool, just merge it together and make it even. Like this. Take out the extra clay that is not needed. Last time. Take some water and make it neat completely. So that it is totally flat. And now we'll take this and slowly turn it upside down. And you get a plate like this. I hope you all like this. Okay. Once you turn it upside down, if you see any cracks, take very little water and just merge it. And final finishing touch. And we are done. So this is the coil clay plate that we just made. Hope you all liked it. If you liked it, please press the like button there, and also in the comment section let me know if you want to learn something in specific so that I can make a video for you. keep watching Arty Facets for more updates, and also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update from Arty Facets. Keep watching Arty Facets. Please like, subscribe, share and comment. Thank you so much.